Hello all, today I am going to discuss with you one new topic. Let's see some word and then I will explain what is our topic for the day. Kangan, Chand, Ank, Muh. So you can see when we pronounce these words, it sounds very similar. But there is a difference and the name of these two is also different. So I'm going to discuss with you today Bindu and Chandrabindu. What is the difference between Bindu and Chandrabindu and where to use this? How to use this? So let's see. बिंदु एवं चंद्रबिंदु. सबसे पहले हम बिंदु की बात करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टॉक अबाउट बिंदु. But here I want to explain you what is Bindu and what is Chandrabindu. Here Bindu means dot. Okay. And Chandra means moon. So a dot with a moon, that is called Chandrabindu. When it's only a dot, that is Bindu. And when the dot is with a moon, then it's a Chandrabindu. So first of all, we will discuss about Bindu, the dot, where to put the dot. Bindu को अनुस्वार कहते हैं. So the name of this, we generally call it Bindu, but the name of this Bindu is Anuswar. छोटा सा स्वर जो है, अनु means small. So a small dot, a small swar which we put there as a symbol of dot. I think you have in your previous classes ang matra you have learned also, where we have learned about this dot. So this is we call it Bindu as a anuswar also. Now let's see where to use Bindu and how to use. जिन अक्षरों को बोलते समय हम नाक की सहायता लेते हैं, उन अक्षरों के साथ बिंदु का प्रयोग होता है. जिन अक्षरों को बोलते समय, अक्षर मीन्स लेटर्स. So while speaking the letter, when we get the sound, nose sound, when we say some word with the nose sound, then that place we use Bindu. Here also if you will see, Bindu. So that from nose the sound comes, then we put this Bindu with that letter. For example, Ghanta, Kangan, Panja, Santara. So with whichever letter the ang sound or the sound from nose comes, from nose, remember, it will not be only ang sound, but also the sound will come only from your nose. With that letter you will use अनुस्वार और बिंदु. बिंदु को बदलकर आधे अक्षर के रूप में भी लिख सकते हैं. For some letter, in place of bindu, we use half letter also. For example, if you will see in some places Hindi, we write like this, and in some places we write half na. Chandan, chandan, bindu, bindu. So both is correct. Mostly actually half na we can write like this also, and we can use it as anuswar bindu also. But it's not with everything. In some places we have to use only bindu. But in some places when the letter is na, then you can use it as a half letter also. Now coming to Chandrabindu. अब हम चंद्रबिंदु की बात करेंगे. The name of Chandrabindu is Anunasik. बिंदु अनुस्वार एंड चंद्र बिंदु इज अनुनासिक. जहां पर नासिक का मतलब एक्चुअली नोज होता है, तो जहां पर नोज से कम आवाज आती है. बिंदु आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दैट वेयर द लेटर साउंड विद द लेटर द साउंड विल कम फ्रॉम नोज, देन वी पुट बिंदु. बट वेयर द नोज साउंड इज वेरी लेस, जिन अक्षरों को बोलते समय नाक और मुंह दोनों की सहायता लेनी पड़ती है, उन अक्षरों के साथ चंद्रबिंदु का प्रयोग होता है. टू प्रोनाउंस दोज लेटर्स, वेयर when we pronounce those letters, the air comes from nose as well as your mouth also. Means you need the help of nose and mouth both. That places we have to use Chandrabindu. Let's see some example like Chand, Muh, Sunghna. You will see that only ang sound is not there. It's half ang sound is there. Because half sound is coming from nose and half is from your mouth. The air is coming from nose as well as from mouth. Chand, Muh, Sunghna. So this place we will use Chandra Bindu. Now, Chandra Bindu kahan lagaएं? Where to put Chandra Bindu? With A matra, U matra and U matra. Or in short, I will tell you the matra which we use by the side of the letter or under the letter. Especially if you can remember, with A matra, U matra and U matra, the Chandra Bindu will come. Like कुआं, पांच, गेहूं, पूंछ. But if the matras are like this, शिरोरेखा के ऊपर आने वाले मात्राओं के साथ चंद्र बिंदु का प्रयोग नहीं किया जा सकता है. The matra which we put above the letter, with those letters we will not put Chandra Bindu. So this is an easy way also to identify. So once again I would love to recap the things that Bindu means where the sound only will come from nose. Chandra Bindu you will put in the places where the sound will come from nose as well as from the mouth. Now Chandra Bindu will come only 3 places: A matra, U matra and U matra. But it won't be come with the letters or where E matra, A, O, means which if any matra is coming above the letter like this, we are putting like this, then Chandra Bindu will, we cannot use Chandra Bindu with these matras. So I hope it's clear to you what is the difference between Chandra Bindu and Bindu.